Hi, this is a demo for the group deploy tokens. Group deploy tokens is a new feature that ships with GitLab 12.8. It allows users to create deploy tokens at the group level, which means that after creating such deploy token, they'll be able to use the same token to clone projects belonging to that group or belonging to subgroups of that group. A link to that issue can be found in the description of this video. Let's go through an example. Let's say that we have the food group, and in it we have two subgroups, the fruits and vegetables groups. In fruits group we have one project, the orange project, and in vegetables group we have two projects, carrot and broccoli projects. We want to be able to clone those three private projects using the same deploy token. So we're going to need to create a group deploy token at the group that is common to all those three projects. That's the food group. Going back to that group, we can go to settings and CI/CD, and we can see that a new section was added, the deploy tokens section, which is pretty similar to the deploy token section at the project level. Let's create a new token. Let's call this one the food token. Let's say that it expires in 2021, sometimes in February 20th. We're gonna give it a scope, the read repository scope. There we go. Here's our token. I'm going to make a note of it. There we go. And we are going to try it out. Let's say that we want to clone the orange project with it. I'm going to go here and I'm going to copy the HTTP URL here. I'm going to amend it so that it includes first our group deploy token username and our group deploy token password. Perfect. And we are going to try if we can clone this. Excellent. We just cloned our orange project. Now, we're going to use the same token to clone our vegetable, one of our projects in the vegetable group. Let's say the broccoli project. I'm not going to copy paste its URL. I'm just going to modify this one here by just changing the name of the group and the name of the project. Let's give this a try. Excellent. We have cloned two projects belonging to two different groups, but belonging to the same supergroup, and we've done that by creating a group deploy token at this supergroup level. So if we want, we could also create a group deploy token just for the vegetables project. We're going to try to do that. So at the vegetables group level, we're going to go to setting, CI/CD, deploy tokens. We see I mentioned that this group has no active deploy tokens, right? We have a deploy token at the food level, but for that group, we don't have any deploy tokens. We're going to call this one vegetable token. We're going to have it expired, let's say next month. And we have here our new vegetable deploy token. I'm going to make note of it. And we're gonna try to first clone the orange project with this new token. As we expect, it shouldn't work, but with such a token we should be able to clone the broccoli project. Let's give this a try. Before doing that, I'm going to remove those two projects I cloned earlier. I'm gonna try to clone this here. Oh, sorry. This is the message that we should have. Yes, the project you were looking for could not be found. Using the vegetable group deploy token, we cannot clone that orange project as expected. Now, if we're trying to clone the broccoli project, then it should be successful. Excellent. We have a broccoli project. And that's basically it regarding the group deploy tokens. Thank you for watching.